In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, we highlight the good needs of a former football player.
A ray of hope. Nervous smiles belie the excitement of these children at Whitfield All-Age School in St. Andrew as they receive well-needed gifts valued at hundreds of US dollars. This made possible thanks to this former footballer giving back to his alma mater. Michael Clark, or Zun as he is known in the sports realm, represented Jamaica on the international stage in the 1970s after migrating to the US to study. And though residing overseas for more than 35 years, Mr. Clark always kept in touch with home, donating what he can. The latest donation is to the school he left in 1974.
It was fun. It was like a lifetime experience for me, you know, and Whitfield School have given me like a foundation that I could actually build on. And I told the principal that when she asked me that, oh, Whitfield School didn't owe you anything, and I told her that, yes, it does.
And so he and his wife decided to reach out to the school's principal.
We had a dialogue and she sent me a wish list. So what we did is to go from that wish list. I gave my wife a copy and I had a copy. So, you know, we tried to touch each and every little thing that's on the wish list. You know, even something as simple as first aid kit. And not only for the kids, but for the teachers, for the future soccer stars, future volleyball players.
His donation consists of books, writing tools, football gears, a printer, and a Samsung 32-inch television, among other school supplies. Principal Nadine Hibbert was pleased with the contribution.
On behalf of the Whitfield family, I'd like to say thank you for this grand gesture, and we do wish you all the best. And we look forward to your continued support.
Mr. Clark is encouraging other past students to give back.
I hope it will motivate them to give and give and give, because this is not the first, or let me rephrase, this is not the last time that I'm going to be giving, because I spoke with my wife today, who's in New York now, and she said that she started packing another barrel already. I can't put a figure on charity. I can't put a figure on these beautiful kids. I'm just joyful, that's about it.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Krista Campbell. A Ray of Hope.